What's up, guys?
Thank you for joining us today.
We're going to be showing you how we make crepes.
Yeah, and we have some secret ingredients.
Yeah, I can see you brought some stuff I've never seen done in a crepe, but what do I know? I've never even made a crepe.
Yeah, except we are experts at eating them.
We are. That's true.
Yeah. So I wanted to add a little bit of like sweetness so that
There's a
so that
lot
it would
of
taste
sweetness.
better. Bing bong 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 bang.
You're going to put all this in one crepe?
This.
I want to see that. I think we have some cavities waiting to come from these crepes, but let's dive right into this. Before you do, though,
Brush your teeth. I'm joking. I'm
after you
joking.
mean.
I'm joking. Like and subscribe. And get 500 likes or more.
I guess that's what we have to do.
Eee.
So now help me crack it. Help me crack it. Good job.
That's sticky.
So we're now ready to start making our batter. First, Johnny, can you please add these 2 eggs in our bowl?
Of course. Wee.
I like that wee. That was...
Of the wee.
All right, next we're doing our melted butter. Some people maybe use canola oil, but we're using our butter today. Last, we're gonna be adding 1.5 cups of milk. Why don't you start whisking this for me, please?
Whisk. Is this enough, Daddy?
Let's do a little bit more. Get your hands in there like this. See, we want those eggs to, of course, break up, right?
Okay, I can do that.
Okay. Please, now, if you can, add this flour to our batter.
It's gonna look very white. Just look at the snow, riding in the wonderland of...
And last, we're gonna be adding in some sugar.
I wanted to do the sugar.
Oh, here, I'll let you top it off. I think you've had enough sugar. So,
We had to bring out the big guns.
we did. And we forgot our vanilla extract. So,
I never knew vanilla extract looked like that.
yeah,
It doesn't look like vanilla one bit.
it smells like vanilla though.
Okay, now because we got our batter done, let's heat up that pan and let's start cooking.
Let's start cooking. Getting our pan nice and hot before we throw these crepes in. We're also gonna be adding in just a little bit of butter, letting that melt evenly throughout the pan. So it's important to pour the batter in the pan while it's off the heat and slightly tilted. First crepe's not gonna come out looking the prettiest. Kind of similar when you're making pancakes. But just make sure that you have an even coating on each side. This might not look like the healthiest dish, well, when you're adding in Johnny's ingredients. Unlike pancakes, crepes are much thinner because they aren't made with baking powder. This allows the crepe to be extremely flexible when choosing whatever sweet and savory flavors to add to your crepe. I think we're ready for our first flip.
Yeah, it's getting real hot up here. By the way, it looks like a tortilla when it first comes out. It looks like a tortilla.
You're right, it does look like a tortilla. That's a good comparison. Give it a little flip. Oh! Looking exactly like we wanted. This was our first one, so it actually beat the notion that first one does come out looking not too great. What do you think, Johnny?
That looks very good.
Yeah, you're doing great on this. Good job.
Thank you.
All right, we're gonna take our first one off. Oh yeah, even that out. So now that the first one's done, Johnny, I'm gonna let you have the honors of making the first one.
I'm gonna be adding Nutella first.
Nutella.
Oh.
What are you adding next? Gummy bears. All right.
I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a gummy bear.
Some gummy bears in here.
Just pour all of them.
Okay, I'm sorry.
All of them.
All right. What's next? Nothing healthy? Oh, you're gonna add one healthy thing in there. Okay.
What do you mean?
All right. I'm gonna add more. You wanna do a couple strawberries?
Sure.
All right.
Go ahead. Let me think.
That's the best thing about making these. You can do whatever you want with it. Of course, I don't know if you ever want to go this route that we're going, but you never know.
I mean, it will taste yummy.
This looks like Buddy the Elf's crepe.
Yeah.
This is like how Buddy the Elf would make his crepe.
I need a spoon.
Never go wrong with Cool Whip. Sprinkles?
Sprinkles.
All right. Okay.
Choco. I like choco. Oh my.
Powdered sugar.
Comment down below if you ever made something like this.
And since you wanted everything on here, right?
Yes.
We didn't do everything yet. Did we add blueberries? Well, you're gonna get a couple more on top.
No.
Johnny's in for a treat.
And some more sprinkles.
Okay, he wants some more sprinkles? All right.
I can put them. Oh, but okay, that's fine.
All right.
Now.
We have our first one, as you can see. All right, we got our second one done. This one's gonna be mine.
And it's gonna be a little bit more healthy.
Probably a little more healthier than yours.
Like a little bit of sprinkles for him.
Oh yeah, I'll still mix into some of your craziness, but you ate all the gummy bears, so I can't even do the
I'm
gummy
on
bears.
a gummy bear.
But that's all right. First, I'm gonna start off with some Cool Whip,
Candy.
followed by some strawberries.
Can I help you?
Yeah, please.
Or just like boop.
I'll take some raspberries next, please.
Boop. Boop. Boop.
And next, I'll take a little bit of Hershey syrup in the middle.
Pop it out. Pop it
Just
out.
a tiny bit, though, please.
Boop. Boop.
That's good. That's good.
Blueberries. Save the day.
And
Would you
now
like?
I'm ready to fold this in.
Wait, would you like some peanut butter, my dear sir?
No, I'm gonna pass on the peanut butter, but thank you.
Oh, I like it. I like the design. I'd say it's looking pretty good, Daddy. How dare you, Hershey syrup? You're probably gonna taste amazing.
Guess mine is done, I think.
It looks a lot more healthier than mine.
We got our crepes ready?
Yeah!
Good job. I'm very impressed. I think we did a good job for our first time, right?
Yes. I wonder what yours tastes like. How good is it?
That was phenomenal. I could taste all the great sweetness we put in there. Let's dig into Johnny's. Here, I'll help you out.
Oh my gosh.
This is gonna be by far the most interesting crepe you will ever see. I think I'm giving a little too big of a bite. I apologize.
I'm definitely gonna want to take another bite.
Oh, really? What was it? Everything you thought it would be?
It was amazing. It tasted like magical.
Tasted magical.
It tasted sugary, it tasted everything.
With those sprinkles, look pretty magical. What was the best part of it? Because you added so many ingredients. I don't know how you differentiated everything. What was the most outstanding taste in your crepe?
Probably like when I first chewed on it, because it tastes like the Nutella and the sprinkles.
Blended really well together, huh?
Yeah, this is the best thing I've ever tasted.
I'm pretty impressed. We did a great job, I think.
Pretty great.
For our first time, we appreciate you guys believing in us, sticking around to see that we can do this as well as you can do this too. We included all the ingredients. If you want to go Johnny's route, you're gonna hit the candy store a little harder. If you're gonna go my route, you're gonna hit the produce section a little harder. So.
And a little bit of the candy.
I did some candy. I can't lie. I do have a sweet tooth too. But we appreciate you guys. And again, Johnny gave you his demands. We're expecting 500 likes.
Peace out, and we'll see you in the next video.
See ya.
See ya.
I think you've been eating too much candy. You're getting a little delusional already.
What do you mean?
We gotta hide these ingredients from this kid.